Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from SweetStamper.com, and I'm ready to share with you my September Twist Club projects and the packet and what all comes with it. Each month I run an 8-card class that includes some products with it, about $25 a product, and all of this comes shipped to you. This is a class by mail. For $39, and there is a club option, and when you take the club option you get $25 of free product after a 6-month membership. So I always choose one bundle or stamp set to key off of, and that's what we use for the bulk of what we're making. And I knew when I saw this bundle or this whole suite in the annual catalog that I was going to use it for fall. So here we are in September. So let me show you what you're going to get, and then I'll show you the cards. So you're going to get a quarter pack of this beautiful paper. That means you get 12 unique sheets. This is one of the 48 sheet packs. So you get 12 sheets of this 6x6 paper. It is beautiful. Both sides are really, really lovely. You're also going to get this duo of ribbon. Now this is from our new mini catalog, and there's this beautiful burlappy, but it's not, it's more of it, they call it natural ribbon. It has a real silky feel, and this is the star of the show, this copper ribbon. And then you're going to get a package of these rustic metallic dots, and with those things you are going to make some super fun cards. So let me show you what we do. I typically give you a fun fold, and the fun fold this month is right here. Now when I say cards with a twist, this is what I mean. You do 2 each of 4 designs with a twist, so you can see what my twist is here. And then we have these quilt cards. The twist is with the colors, and this is what I mean about these fun punches. I'm going to show you some fun things to do with them. For September, I couldn't resist. I'm actually doing a second set of fun folds, and this is a split panel card. Lots of fun, really shows off all the elements that we are using. And then last but not least, 2 really simple cards that really showcase the paper, and you can see what the twist is. You do get your 8 envelopes. So this is all 8 envelopes, all the prepared supplies, the PDF tutorial, the ribbons, the dots, and the paper. Now, this is a $39 whole kit. Includes your first class shipping. I would urge you to do the Twist Club option because you can cancel at any time, but if you do the 6 months, you do get $25 of free product. Now in September, I have something a little bit different. I have an add-on class if you would like to add it on. So I am using Medley Mix. Now you look at those shapes. This coordinates with these punches. Now this is from our new mini catalog, and I just thought it would be fun to create some projects using the punches and using this other second stamp set. With this add-on class, which is $15, you do get a quarter pack of this super gorgeous paper, and this is a specialty paper. It's all gold, not gold, it's copper foiled on one side and plain on the other. And then I've created 4 cards to use this stamp set along with those punches. Now you will use your ribbon and your dots that's included in your other class. I thought this would be great for graduates with the books there. Very much a masculine feel, which is one of the things you can really do with these kind of quilty shapes. They're super fun to use. And so I've got 4 extra cards for you, and 4 envelopes, and a quarter pack of paper, and your PDFs. It's only $15. I mean, seriously, it's a great deal. But this is an add-on option if you are taking my Twist Club. And again, you can try this out for 1 month, but the 6-month option is really the best bet. And again, you can cancel if you get 3 months in and you feel like, you know, that's more than you can handle. You can cancel at any time, but at the end of 6 consecutive months, you do get a $25 goodie bag by mail, and it's a really nice kit that I put together for you. So thank you so much for your consideration. You do have to register by the 12th, or be subscribed by the 12th. That's the way I run this class every single month. Again, this is a class by mail. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.